In today's video, we're going to explore how you locate files within Nucleus One. There are two primary ways that you can do it. The first way is browsing to a file within a project or department. To start, click into the department or project that you would like to locate your files, and then you can browse through the Documents area into the individual folders to locate the files that you're looking for. Another easy way to locate your files is by clicking up here in the search window, where you can type in Alyssa, and it'll actually give you a preview of any of the documents that match that particular search. And then you can just click on that document to view it. In that same search window, you can click Advanced Search, and this will allow you to search by any term or text that's within the document, and also narrow it down by project or department or any of these other categories. This advanced search will even allow you to search for content within the different categories like documents, document fields, forms, and projects and departments. Please check out our other videos to see how you can use these documents to their full extent.